Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Are you getting the dreaded error that the date of the new permit has to be 365 days after the previous one? If so, you can use the instant track option in the Nusuk app to book an appointment every day you are physically in Medina. You will need to allow location access to the Nusuk app so that it knows that you are physically present in Medina Munawwara. New slots are released every 20 minutes, so you might have to check multiple times. For example, at 3, 3:20, 3:40, 4. Every 20 minutes, you will need to check if there is an appointment available. I found, for example, for men, around 9:40 a.m., couple of times I got lucky, alhamdulillah, with the seeing appointments available. If you are not fast enough, you will get this, there is not enough capacity error slots, so they go out right away. If you see something open, go ahead and quickly book. I had an appointment last year in 6th of June, so my 365 days were not up yet, so I had to use the instant track facility to do the visit this time. Hopefully this was helpful. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.